In this episode, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube, both on your desktop and your mobile. In the address bar, type youtube.com, then locate this icon and click it. Quite pretty simple. Just locate appearance and click it. So you can change the dark mode. When you click here, the YouTube interface has turned into the dark mode as you want. On your mobile, navigate to your YouTube app. This process is applicable to iPhone and Android, and locate your icon here, then scroll down and locate settings, then proceed to general. From there you can pick appearance, and now you have the options on use device theme, light theme and dark theme. We are interested in picking dark theme. So now our mobile has also turned into dark mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.